Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the installation of a navigation map update, including a radio head unit software update on a 2017 Kia Soul Plus. And this is from MnSoft, and the website is MnSoft, and I'll give you that information down in the description section of the video. But there's a new SD card that's supplied with the upgraded software and map data on it, and here's the insert in the product that shows you the various makes and models that it does apply to. But you end up going to the MnSoft website, you create an account there, you log in, and then you put in the appropriate information for your year, make, and model to locate the products that are available for that particular vehicle that you own. And then you come to a screen where you see the available products, and in my particular case, you see the one for the map update, and you do have to enter the VIN of the vehicle to make it sure that it's right for the vehicle and it's specific to that vehicle. And then you end up purchasing that. Total price for the base price is $25 for the software itself, and then with tax and shipping, it was $33.14 for my update. So now let's show you the demo of the install. I'm going to check the current version of the software before I perform this update. So we've gone and pressed the setup button here to get to this screen, and then I'm going to swipe up to get to the system info applet. And we have version ST4, well, those versions on the screen. And so what you're supposed to do is turn off the vehicle. With the ignition off, eject the SD card that's currently inserted into the navigation system and insert the new SD card. It will permanently replace your SD card. Start the vehicle by using the key or with the engine start button. And then the system, do not turn off the ignition switch or eject the SD card during the upgrade procedure. The system will reboot automatically. SD card has been inserted, preparing navigation. The system will restart shortly. Press setup button on the panel on the right side of the screen like we did here to get this current version information. And then from the setup menu, go to system info, and then we'll go ahead and click on that update button. So I'm going to go ahead and turn everything off. And I'm going to go ahead and kill the power by opening the door, closing the door. So I'm going to remove the current SD card, push in to release it. And this is the original one that came with the vehicle, and it's for 2017 Kia Soul Plus. And let's bring out the one from the kit here. So we're going to take this one out. It has its own carrier, and we'll open this. So I'm going from this on the right to this on the left. Going to insert it until it clicks and stays in. Cover that back up because in theory we're not removing it. And now I'm going to go ahead and start the vehicle. Reason for starting the vehicle is to make sure that the charge level does not decrease during the upgrade process, which could take up to 30 minutes. So we did get the SD card has been inserted message. So it's restarting. Going to confirm this message. Going to go into setup. And again, scroll up to system info. whatever the versions are, those are, I believe, the old versions, so I guess we get to start it there. I wanted to check it before we upgraded anything. And the information will vary on the screen, so that's specific to this particular ID. The IDs are specific to this vehicle, so I might cover up some of the items on the screen, such as device ID and such. But the map version is 09.47.44.543.001.1. So now I'm going to press the update button, insert the updated memory, and press OK. And we have that already in the slot, so I'm going to press OK. Now it's checking the update information. Now this may take an extended period of time, so I'll fast forward it through the long time sections, if there are any, which there are anticipated to be some. And then when we're done, we'll wrap up with the completion of the update. So let's get you listening to some background music and watching the update process on the screen. We've started the update process, so it's beginning to copy files after it's validated the files on the SD card. So we're in step 1 of 5. We've moved on to step 2, which is preparing the system update. Since the original version was quite old compared to the update I just purchased, it's performing a full update of the radio head unit and the maps. This is a continuation of updating the system after the restart in phase 2 of 5. So it's restarting on its own. It's restoring data, which I'm unsure if that's from the previous installation or off the SD card supplied by the update. Okay, now we're into GPS updates, and this is 1 of 3 for the GPS. After the restart, it's resuming the phase 2 of the updating SUB MICOM. ... Now we're on main MICOM phase 3. Says the update is complete and the system will restart. So hopefully that's true. Let's see what it's like after the restart here. Here's the typical confirmation about driving safely. I'm going to press confirm. I'm going to blur out the actual map, but I'm just want to make sure that it actually brings up the actual correct location, assuming the GPS has been updated successfully. Yes, the GPS information location is correct. So let's make sure if there's any audio from the music, I'll have to Mute that due to copyright restrictions on YouTube. So that was correct. Let's go back into setup and look at the information. System info. So the information certainly has changed, and that comes, so it looks like USA maps are loaded. Software, I believe that looks correct based on what I ordered. So this is the May 2020 update for the 2017 Kia Soul Plus that we own, and that's the update process. I will put a summary of the amount of time in the video here. I'll have to go through and see what it actually took, but it felt like about half an hour, but I'm sure I'll give you the exact time on the screen. And if this has been helpful to you, why don't you go ahead and check out the channel. I have other videos on my Kia Soul about doing some common maintenance items on it, and hopefully you find those informative. If you like the video, make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure you hit that bell notification to be notified when I upload new videos to the channel. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.